డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈరోజు కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చూద్దాము. ఈసెట్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ సర్క్యూట్స్ కదా. ఓకే, టేక్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. ఏ వైర్ ఆఫ్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ 10 ohms ఈజ్ bent to form a complete circle. Find its resistance between two diametrically opposite points. Draw a circle. Total resistance of the circle is 10 ohms. So you asked that find the resistance between two diametrically points. So let's take A and C is the center point of on the both sides. Then if you look this remaining part, these two in parallel. So total resistance of the circuit ring is 10 ohms. So divided by 2. This is 5 ohms. This is 5 ohms. So these two are in parallel. 5 by 2. 2.5. Second one, find the current supplied by the battery in the circuit. See, if you want find the total resistance, you must come from the other side of the battery source or current source. So from this you have to come. So these two are in parallel, again parallel, again parallel. So 4 are in parallel. 4 is 12 by 4. This is 3 ohms. So I is 3 by 3, 1. Is it needed to put a pen on the paper? No. Find the equal resistance between A and B. Now you have to come from this side. So 4 to series, again parallel. This is 6. 6 is in parallel with 3. You will get 2 ohms. So again 2 plus 4. These two in parallel, again series. That's 4. This is I put wrong now. So total is plus 6. So plus 4 is 6 ohms. This is because this is 2. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, like that, find the resistance between A and B. See, you don't disturb these 2 points. So for that, you have to go away from these 2 points. So these two are in parallel, 3 3 parallel, 6 6 6 parallel, 6 by 2 2. 6 by 2 is 3 3 3 parallel, again series, parallel, series, parallel, series, parallel. Okay, do it. Is it right or wrong? Please check. Here one more problem. 6 12 12 6. Before closing the switch, what is the total resistance? And after closing the switch, what is the resistance between these 2 points? So before closing, 6 and 12 is parallel series. These two are in series. So 6 plus 12, 18. This is also 18 by 9 ohms. That's it. After closing, these two are parallel. These two are parallel. How much? 6 into 12 by 18. 4. That means total resistance is 8 ohms. So like that, see this problem. Find the current in source. This is a balanced bridge. So 10 into 10 equal to 10 into 10. So there is no flow in this current, in this resistor. So 10 plus 10 is 20 by 2 is 10. So current is 6 by 10. That's it. Again see this. 15, 15, 30, 30. Don't confuse. So no current in this. Right? 10, 5, 5, 10. But this is not a balanced bridge because 10 into 10 is not equal to 5 into 5. So distribute, find the resistance through current distribution. And after apply the Kirchhoff's law, you will get the resistance across A and B. So let I is flowing in this and I is come out. So let take I in this 10 ohms is I1. Current in this 10 ohms is also I1, because this current should be flow in this way and in this way. So I1 enter into the 10, then also I1 leaves from the 10 ohms also. So like that. So in the middle, this is I1, this is I. So this is I1, I minus I1, because this is coming inside. So this is I1 and this is I minus I1. What is the current flow in this? This one minus this one. So 2I1 minus I. So apply now KVL. Here also KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. Then finally you will get this. So total voltage applied by total current enter is the total resistance. Let's take this one. Infinite circuit resistance is added. R1, 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 R1. So let's take this is R. Then this is also R. So this smaller and this smaller, and the what I assigned is R bigger is in parallel with the smaller. So this R is equal to parallel of this one sum and plus this one. So R equal to R plus. Finally you will get quadratic equation. You know, plus or minus. We no need minus because resistance always positive. Take this. See the circuit. This is battery. This is capacitance. For DC, if you apply a DC source, then capacitor will be opened for fully charged. Then there is no current flow in this. So you can open this. So these two are in series. 2 plus 6 is 8 ohms. 2 volts applied. What is the current flow? 2 by 8. That's it. See this. 10 ohms, 20 ohms, 30 ohms. These two are in parallel and in combination with the series 10 ohms. So he had given that the current in the I1 is, or ammeter 1 is 2.4 amperes. Find the current in this one, in this ammeter and this one. So you can find the voltage across this, and also these two are in parallel. What is the voltage across the 20 ohms also is same as 30 ohms. So you can find the current, and sum of these two will get this current. See, he had given here is 12 milliamperes. So find voltage across AB. The circuit is this one. These two are in parallel, again combination with the series. Finally you will get VAB. Try this. Here one more problem. 10 ohms, 20 ohms, and 20 ohms is in parallel with the switch. 3 volts is applying. Before closing the switch, what is the current? After closing the switch, what is the current? Find yourself. Here, well noted. See, this is the circuit. If you fold this, then these two comes parallel. Again, you fold this, these three will comes into parallel. So these three R's are in parallel, then RAB equal to R by 3. See this. Find the current in all resistors, 4 ohms, 6 ohms. And here, see, the batteries are connected in opposite. So the effective voltage is 2. Here these 4 ohms is short circuited. So current flow in this is 0. So finally this comes to series, that is 10 ohms. The affected voltage is 2 ohms. So how much? 0.2 amperes. The 0.2 amperes is flowing in this and in this also. Good luck.